morning guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am actually filming a what I ate today video. I feel like I haven't done these in so long, so I thought today was the time. As you can tell, I literally just woke up, still have morning voice and look like a hot mess, but I was really hungry the second I woke up this morning, and luckily I had prepared my breakfast last night. So this is an odd way to start the what I ate today, but basically this is my food right here. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you might know that I'm actually coming out with a recipe ebook, which I am so excited for. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I make food all the time. I'm always baking healthier treats, I'm always making healthier recipes, and it's been like one of my biggest passions for a few years now, honestly. I actually thought I was going to come out with a recipe ebook before I came out with the workout guide, but I just came out with the workout guide first, I guess. So for the past like year or so, I've just been writing down all my recipes and perfecting them and stuff, and now is finally the time to put it all together, and I'm just so excited. So basically this is chocolate overnight oats. This is what it looks like, and I basically just set it up with the little background and my good Canon camera so I could take a photo, because that's kind of what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm making all the recipes so that I can actually take photos of them, which I feel like that's going to be the hardest task of the ebook. I have like 80 recipes to take photos of, so yeah, let's see how long that takes. But yeah, this is what I'm going to have this morning. So this is the perfect breakfast in my opinion if you're working really early in the morning, if you have school to go to, if you catch public transport, literally anything. It's just so easy to eat and it tastes really good. I love overnight oats. I feel like they taste better than normal oats, and I don't know how that's a thing, but I don't know, I just really love it. And I've put chocolate protein powder in here as well and topped it with fresh raspberries, so it's like a chocolate raspberry protein overnight oats, and it tastes so good. Give it a go if you've never tried overnight oats before. I'll leave the recipe in the description. But I'm going to enjoy this for my breakfast because I'm starving now, and I will check back in with you guys when I have a snack or my lunch. Alright, so I just got back from training a client and I'm looking a little bit more presentable now than I was before. But it is now time for lunch. It is 12:30, so it's been a good few hours since I last ate, and I am starving. So thankfully I had already meal prepped my food this week, so basically all I have to do is heat it up in the microwave and I'm good to go. And this is exactly why I meal prep. Even though I'm home most of the time for lunches, if I don't meal prep and I get hungry, I just eat like the first thing in sight. So yeah, meal prepping is my life. So today we have sweet potato cottage pie. Kind of looks putrid because there's two of them fitting in here, but I'm just gonna section one out on a plate, heat it up in the microwave for like a minute and a half, and dig in. So it doesn't look the absolute best, but I promise you it tastes so good, and it's so healthy as well. It's literally just beef mince, sweet potato, a whole heap of veggies chucked in there, some salt reduced tomato sauce, salt reduced soy sauce, and that's pretty much it. You just have to like mash up the potato, put it on top of the beef mince with all the veggies and stuff, and then top it with cheese if you want to do so, which I don't know why you wouldn't, because cheese is also life. So I'm gonna eat this. I love every second of it, and I already know what snack I want to make this afternoon because I am craving something very particular today. So I will show you guys that in a few hours. So it is now time for my afternoon treat and coffee. I've been sitting at my desk for the past few hours working on the ebook, and I am so tired. My eyeballs are just like closing every 2 seconds. So I just boiled the kettle. I'm gonna make an almond milk coffee, and the thing that I've been craving that I said before is a chocolate mug cake. Every time I try to make this, it honestly fails, but I saw a friend post a recipe yesterday, and I feel like if she likes it and she said it's good, then I can trust it. So I'm gonna kind of go off hers. She actually used protein powder to make it, which I've never used before. And then the other little trick I'm going to do is add half a mashed banana. Her recipe didn't actually call for it, but I just feel like every time I make a mud cake, it's very dry. So I'm hoping if I add some mashed banana, it might actually work for once. That's kind of my hope. Basically, if this mug cake recipe fails, then I'm just going to make the not so healthy version that came with it. Because all I really want right now is like a chocolate brownie or like a piece of chocolate cake, because it is that time of the month and all I want is chocolate. So sorry for the TMI, but I'm going to try and make this. I will sit the camera down somewhere. What a good angle, honestly. I am sorry. Alright, so we're going to do 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. I'm sure no matter what you use, it would work. Like if you wanted to use oats or any kind of normal flour, go ahead. I'm just going to use a protein flour. Is that going to be too much? I don't know. This could fail so badly. And then I'm going to add 1 egg. Now that I'm thinking of it, I'm actually not really copying her recipe, because I think she said half a scoop of protein and just egg whites, not the actual whole egg. So I've already failed this recipe. Alright, then I'm gonna mash in half a banana, because I feel like a full banana seems like a lot. Ooh. If you could see my failing right now, wow. Okay, note to self, if this does work, mash the banana first, because it's very hard to mash a banana when you've already put like the dry ingredients in. Oh my goodness me. Guys, I literally don't know what I'm doing. This could fail so badly. It smells bloody good though. I'll give it that. Alright, I'm going to leave it as is. I was going to add a dash of almond milk, but honestly, looks pretty much like a cake consistency to me. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, I just took it out of the microwave. I put it in for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and honestly, it smells pretty darn good, and it looks like that. I'm gonna top it with a scoop of no sugar added vanilla ice cream. Skinny vanilla ice cream, whatever it is. And let's give this bad boy a taste test. One thing I realized I forgot to add was baking powder. Who forgets to add baking powder into a cake mixture? Me, that's who. Alright, I'm gonna give this a little taste test. The batter seems chewy already. That's a no. I don't like egg in general, so I feel like that's why maybe mug cakes don't work for me, because the egg just makes a mug cake really dense, kind of like omelette-y type of thing. Like it's just like that chewy egg texture. So maybe I have to give up on mug cakes, but I do have a backup plan. I bought these cacao brownie whole food balls from the supermarket when I went before, and these are my favorite brand, but I've never actually tried this flavor, and considering I'm just craving something super chocolatey, I'm sure these will be amazing. Hey guys, editing Brittany jumping on here because I just realized that I never actually filmed a dinner recipe this night that I was doing of what I ate today video. And if I'm being honest, I didn't have the best day ever. It was that time of the month and I was just feeling so emotional. So I went and trained clients all afternoon, and then on my drive home, I was so tired, and it was like 9 p.m. or 9:30 driving home. And even though Andy had dinner cooked for me at home, I think he made like chicken, beans, broccoli, and potato, I think was that night. I just had to stop and I got McDonald's. So, and then I just like sat in my car and cried and ate my McDonald's. I had a small McChicken meal thing, which I did not film because I totally forgot I was filming a what I ate today video that week. But I wanted to be open and honest and tell you guys that is what I had. I did think about showing you a different meal because obviously, you know, I like to do like healthy what I eat in a day videos, but that's just how I felt that day and I didn't regret it at all. It's just, I was so hungry and so tired driving home. It was really late at night and I had a half an hour drive home. So honestly, I just needed the fuel because I just felt like my eyes were closing over. So that is what I did. But yeah, I just thought I would put that in this section of the clip because I'm now editing the what I eat today video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video somewhat. It was a bit of a weird one. I promise the next what I ate today video will be actually showing you recipes because I feel like I didn't do that today. But if you did enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel and follow along my journey and my recipe guide journey. I'm so excited to release it, but I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!